Horrible times are upon us, my friends. Horrible times are upon us. I don't have to say anything. You know what's going on right now. This whole coronavirus issue has the potential to kill us all. We need to stay concerned, and we need to stay afraid. However, if we just stick to some very simple rules, if we stay smart and use our brains, we may survive this and perhaps even prevent situations like this from ever arising again. And it's very simple. The first thing that we absolutely need to do is we need to submit to any mandatory treatment that's coming our way. The government needs to step in and take care of this. And of course that the treatment should be mandatory. Why wouldn't you want to be cured of this horrible disease or even prevent it from getting to you in the first place? The future of humanity cannot be undermined by some backwards people. We need to do the right thing and obey. For example, just yesterday I caught my mother coughing and I reported her because that's what we all should do. The second thing that we all absolutely have to do is we need to quarantine ourselves. Stay at home and stop all social interaction. Social interaction is so early 2000s anyway. This is the current year, people. And nowadays we have all this amazing technology. We have the internet and social media. And we no longer need to meet people in real life. We can just do it online. And that's precisely what we should do. Don't go outside at all. Going outside is dangerous and you don't want to endanger yourself and others. Just stay at home and let social media and the TV tell you what's going on around the world. Just consume their narrative because you can trust them. And that's that. And the third thing, and perhaps the most important thing that we all need to do, is basically everybody needs to be forced to go vegan. This disease started by people consuming animal flesh. And as a matter of fact, if you're actually smart and you know science and history, all diseases ever were started by people consuming animal flesh. And it just needs to stop. I don't know how there are people out there that still aren't vegan nowadays. It's utterly ridiculous. And going vegan is so good for so many other things. It can solve the food shortage problem. And there will be food in the stores again, and I'll be able to buy toilet paper again. And not just here in the West, in this coronavirus crisis context. In the whole world, we will solve world hunger and we will help everybody in the third world because we are good people. And we will achieve it through veganism. And that is the most important thing. So yes, that is basically it. We need to stay indoors. We need to submit ourselves to any mandatory treatment that's coming our way. And we need to go vegan. Only through those things can we hope to survive this. We need to stay strong, stay obedient, and stay informed through TV and social media. Don't go outside at all. Just consume the narrative. That is the best thing that we can do. Stay strong, guys. I love you.